You've watched all 15 seasons. You've followed all the plot twists on TV. Now bring the magic home with the Christmas Fireplace DVD box set. Who can forget such moments as this? And this moment that had everyone rolling in the aisles. With 7 nominations for MTV's Best Kiss Award, it's Christmas Fireplace on DVD. Includes bonus features like behind-the-scenes interviews with the cast. And never-before-seen moments, such as when this stunt got out of hand. With over 360 episodes on 15 DVDs, you can't afford to miss out. Only 11 easy payments of $29.99. Plus, order now and get a copy of Christopher Walken's holiday album, Walken in a Winter Wonderland.
Sleigh bells ring. Are you listening? In the lane, the snow, it's glistening. A beautiful sight. We're happy tonight. We're walking in a winter wonderland.
That's only 11 payments of $29.99. So you can bring Christmas Fireplace into your home. Order now.